Hey, it's Leah, and today's video is about breaking up misconceptions around passive income. Some people feel like passive income is when you could relax on the beach all day and money just comes into your bank account, or you just get checks all day and you do absolutely nothing and you can live your life free and do exactly what you want to without even having a hand in what you invested in or in your business, right? And that is so far from the truth. A lot of people are disappointed when they realize something like this. For example, a lot of people think about real estate as a means of passive income, and I mean, a lot of books and all even spoke of this passive income thing. But then when you speak to people who are actually in the business, they will tell you that even having a rental property, you actually have work to do. And if you personally don't do the work, you might think that here's what I could delegate somebody to do the work, all right? But still, you have to manage that person. Sometimes people who you delegate don't do the work. There are times when you delegate people and they take all the money and no work is done. In rental properties, you would have things to fix from time to time. Things get old, you need to replace them. So you still need to take an active role. And there are other leaders who will tell you, you can't expect somebody else to run your business the way you would want to run it, right? As much as they may be good, right? It's not theirs, it's yours. So you will still have a hand to play in whatever you have. Same thing with a rental vehicle. You might think you could just buy some vehicles and put them out there to work on the road or to rent or whatever, and that's all, and money is going to just flow in abundance, when that's not so. So many mechanical issues take place with vehicles that go out, accidents happen. So you always have to play a part in your business, and if you don't expect it to be run the way you probably want it to be run. So don't get caught up in the hype of a passive income and a life on the beach. That's just selling dreams. People sell those kind of dreams to people, but who are in it could actually attest to the fact that there's nothing really so passive in that passive income theory, right? You still have to put your hand in it, do your work. So that was the quick drop for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, comment if you have any ideas, any comments, any suggestions. You can put it in the comments below. I'll be happy to see your feedback, right? Thank you for watching. It's Leah Moses. Thanks.